To change group notification sound on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap notification. Under group section, tap notification tone. And then select the desired tone you like to use. Tap the back button. Notification tone for group message on WhatsApp has been changed. From now, your phone will play the selected tone when you are receiving new message from groups on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.